My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called WIN, W-I-N. This ransomware actually is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this WIN ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this WIN ransomware. It is called WIN because it appends this WIN extension to the file names. And because of the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button, and then the free scanning will begin. The program, as I said, is initially in the trial mode. You may always upgrade to the premium, and you can always request for the free trial, by the way. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I also want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium. It will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your files. As for file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the files.